severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Louisa County, southeastern Johnson County, Washington County, southwestern Muscatine County, until 6:45 a.m. At 5:51 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Washington, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Washington, Columbus Junction, Kelowna, Wellman, Lone Tree, Riverside, Fruitland, Ainsworth, Grandview, Conesville, Columbus City, Letts, Nichols, Crawfordsville, Cotter, Richmond, Fredonia, Westchester, and Sand Springs. Take cover now.